Hamad International Airport, Qatar. Hamad International Airport is a stunning blend of luxury, modern design, and art, making it more than just a gateway to Qatar. Opened in 2014, the airport features sleek, futuristic architecture, characterized by its vast open spaces and clean lines. The expansive use of glass and steel creates an airy atmosphere, while the golden tones of its interior reflect the desert landscape surrounding Doha. One of the most striking features of Hamad International is its public art installations, such as the iconic lamp bear by Swiss artist Urs Fischer, which stands at the heart of the airport. The fusion of contemporary art with the minimalist design of the terminals creates a unique atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. The airport also boasts lush green spaces and water features, giving travelers a sense of tranquility in an otherwise bustling environment. Designed with the passenger experience in mind, Hamad International offers world-class lounges, luxurious shopping outlets, and an array of gourmet dining options. Whether you're admiring the artistic installations or relaxing in a spa, this airport offers an unparalleled experience that sets a new standard for air travel.